Okay, net ionic equation review. So here we have potassium chloride and silver acetate making potassium acetate and silver chloride. First, we need to know, does this reaction take place? Okay, so what I'm going to go ahead and look at this previous page here, and I have my solubility chart. I'm going to go ahead and draw a line right here, such a straight line. Our first substance was potassium acetate. I have acetate here. Potassium, there are no exceptions to the rule, which means potassium acetate is going to be aqueous in solution. Remember, your reactants are also aqueous in solution. Okay, and that means silver chloride. Let's double check to see if that is a solid. I have chloride, and yep, silver is my exceptions to soluble, which means it is a nice solid substance. That is true to the fact, solid. So we're going to take a look at our two products. We have potassium acetate and we have silver chloride. So potassium acetate is going to form ions. So potassium is a +1, acetate is a -1. Your silver chloride is a solid. So that means your potassium ion is a spectator ion and your acetate ions are both spectators. They are not involved in those. Your silver ion, which is a +1, and your chloride ion, which is a -1, form the solid. Okay, so that is horrible writing. So potassium and acetate, no, do not part of the ions that form the product. Silver and chloride do form the products. Okay. Let's look at barium nitrate and lithium carbonate. Barium carbonate and lithium nitrate. We go back. Okay. So we had barium carbonate. Carbonates form solids. Is barium an exception? Barium is not ammonia and not a group 1 metal, so barium carbonate is our solid. Which automatically means lithium nitrate is my aqueous solution. So barium carbonate is created from barium and carbonate ions. So these form the solid. So yes, they are the ions that create that. Lithium nitrate, oh, there should be a 2 here because it's not balanced. Sorry, guys. So you should have 2 lithiums and 2 nitrates. These are aqueous in solution. They are not part of the reaction, so no, they do not form the solid. So those are your 2 review equations on net ionic equations. Which ions form the solid and which ions are your spectator ions.